I have plugged in the Tula, a microphone, to my laptop here. It is showing up here in the settings. I am now recording using the internal microphone. So I will compare the sound, the internal microphone in relation to the Tula microphone. So I wonder how the internal microphone compares to the Tula microphone. So I will read this text and compare the sounds I make using the internal and then the Tula mic. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I will now switch to the Tula microphone. I am now recording using the Tula microphone. I switched from the internal to then the Tula microphone in this recording. So we see it here as well, and we see how it's moving here, input level. So I will read this text I have. I wonder how the internal microphone compares to the Tula microphone. So I'll read this text and compare the sounds I make using the internal and then the Tula mic. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I'm sitting maybe 50 centimeters from the Tula microphone, which is next to my computer here.